kids, welcome to Jaja and Mito's world.
Yes, today our activity is all about balloon. But first we need to show them our materials. So what's that?
Balloon.
That's a balloon inflator.
Balloon inflator.
What is this?
Balloon.
Different colors.
Birthday
The balloon.
balloon.
Different colors. Balloon.
Balloon.
Okay, next. What we need to do? We need to lift this plastic glass using balloon. Can you blow that balloon using the balloon inflator?
Of course.
Of course.
I'm ready for you.
Do it for me, okay? Don't fail me. That's better. Good girl. Good girl. I think that's enough. We need to tie the end.
Here you go.
Wait. Later. Just put it there. So, we're going to lift this plastic bottle using this balloon. Just like that, okay? But we need
A little bit of fire.
a little bit higher using this
Fire.
matches. See? Oh. Okay.
We'll call it magic
Smarter
fire.
kids, don't do this.
With your
You ask your
parents.
parents, your dad. Oh, hold it. Okay, let's try. Let's do it.
Blow it first.
No.
Make it
Gonna
with fire.
light this up. Okay. Oh,
I'm just scared it's
let
gonna
the
pop.
fire
Please.
turn off.
No.
Turn it off. And then we're gonna place the balloon here. Let's see what will happen. Oh, let's see. What do you think?
No.
Can I leave it? It will lit up or not?
Or not?
Let's see.
Gonna...
Ta-da! Wow! See? What happened?
It's leaping.
The balloon lit it up. Oh, see?
Hey! I think I
That's
just...
awesome!
No! It's just the...
What happened?
No! The balloon is just stuck in the cup.
No, the heat. Because of the heat absorbed by the balloon. So,
Hey! How can I supposed to get it out?
okay. This is our first. Don't remove it.
Why?
Next thing is, you need to blow another balloon.
I want the color green.
Green, okay. This time we're gonna do the second activity, which is
Number
the
one.
static electricity using the balloon. Go. So we need this paper towel. We need to tear it up, small part. Okay,
We make it
What do you
even more
think?
bigger.
what do you think?
Here you go.
Wait. What do you think? Okay, let's tie this first. This is what you call a static electricity using the balloon. Hey, don't remove. Told you.
I did it.
Behave. Oh, no. You're not supposed to. Oh, you rub it. You rub it in your hair. Let's see.
Hey.
Hey, little bit more.
Hey.
What?
My head is tickling.
Tickling. Let's see.
A tickle.
Oh, what's happened?
A tickle.
Oh, do it on my part. Your hair. Oh, see? Nothing happened again. What's happening?
This balloon is going to be...
Oh, that's it. A little.
For me, my head is...
Oh, no. Oh, let's use this other balloon. The yellow balloon. Let's see, huh? Oh, don't.
My head is tickling.
It's tickling. What's happening?
My head is...
Are we gonna fail this time again?
No, No, we're not gonna build this one. We're gonna.
Oh, you see? Oh, look, oh, look, look. Oh, it's moving. Yes, a little rub. Look, look, yeah. No more. Look. Oh, see? Oh. Oh, it's kind of a truck. Look. Oh, that's what you call static electricity. Okay? Okay? Oh, look. You're not looking. Oh, you're not
Yes.
looking. Oh, look. Oh.
I
Oh.
wanna try. You wanna
Oh,
try?
you rub it in your hand. Rub it. And then... Okay, that's it. No, it will pop up. So next, gonna need this one. The rocket. Balloon rocket. Oh, no more, no more, no need. We need this balloon rocket. You show them how. So, first thing, you need to insert a milk tea straw inside the balloon. And then you tie it up with a rubber band.
Mine has a rubber band.
Yes, we have a rubber band. And then you blow it up and then let it go. See?
And
Looks like a balloon rocket. Oh, another. Enjoying it? Look at it. Look! That's good. So, I think it's enough. You've done a lot.
yes.
You've done a
Really?
lot. Okay?
Bye bye.
Oh, another one? Oh, just for the last time. Another one.
You wanna see?
The pink rocket. The pink balloon rocket. Show there.
Pink
How?
balloon?
Yes.
Balloon rocket?
Yes, of course.
Of course.
See? That's beautiful. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Enjoying it?
Yes.
Oh, I think that's enough. So we need to say goodbye.
Bye bye.
It's bye-bye time. Kids, remember.
Learning so very exciting. Please watch our video, subscribe.
Yes, watch our video. Like, share, and subscribe. That's it for today, kids.
Bye bye.
It's bye-bye time.